How to get your gas fee ready for Hamster Combat launch. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about getting your gas fee ready. And if you haven't done that yet, you're definitely doing the wrong thing. So stick around till the end because I'll be showing you step by step how to get your gas fee ready and avoid any frustrations when Hamster Combat finally launches. First off, if you're new to the world of crypto, you might be wondering, what is a gas fee? A gas fee is simply the fee required to successfully conduct a transaction or execute a contract on the Ethereum blockchain platform. But let me break it down for you in a way that's easier to understand. Think of the gas fee as fuel for a car. Just like you need fuel to drive a car from one place to another, a gas fee is required to power transactions on the blockchain. Without paying this fee, you won't be able to move your tokens or complete any transactions. Now let me remind you again, Hamster Combat is launching anytime soon, and if you haven't gotten your gas fee ready, you're going to experience a lot of difficulties on launch day. Imagine billions of users trying to carry out transactions on the platform at the same time. That kind of network traffic can cause a lot of issues, and trust me, you don't want to be stuck in that situation. The right thing to do is to make sure you have at least 1 ton in your wallet right now. So once Hamster Combat launches its token, you can claim your airdrop without any stress. I'm going to show you how to get your gas fee ready step by step. We'll be using TonKeeper for this demonstration, but the process is similar for other wallets as well. First, we'll head over to Bybit. This is what Bybit looks like. What we need to do here is convert USDT to Ton. So head over to Assets. You can see the convert option right here, so go ahead and click on it. Now we want to convert USDT to Ton. Click on the drop-down menu under From and select USDT. Then under To, select Ton. If you don't see it right away, just type Ton in the search bar and select it. Next, you'll want to enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. You can either type it in manually or click on Max to convert the maximum amount available in your account. After that, click on Convert and make sure you confirm the transaction before the timer runs out. You'll see that your order is processing, and once it's done, your USDT has been successfully converted to Ton. Now let's move our Ton to TonKeeper. Open your TonKeeper wallet. You can see that everything is currently at 0. Click on Receive and you'll see your wallet address. Go ahead and copy that address. Then head back to Bybit. Head over to Assets again. You can see the Withdraw option right here, so go ahead and click on it. Search for Ton, then select it as the token you're withdrawing. Paste the wallet address you copied from TonKeeper and make sure the network is set to Ton. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can click Max if you want to send everything. After confirming everything, click on Withdraw. You'll need to complete a security verification, so make sure to have your email handy to receive the code. Once you've entered the code, your withdrawal will be processed, and your Ton will be transferred to TonKeeper. And this is how to get your gas fee ready for Hamster Combat launch. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.